Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process how to generate exit report. Before login into PromptHR, please check that you must have rights to access Exit Reports menu. Please follow the steps. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Exit from your left-hand side menu. Then click on Exit Reports. List of fields given here to customize your report output. Scroll up and down to see field types and you can select the fields that you want to see in the report. For example, I want to see the list of exited employees with their exit date and reason for exit. So for this report must have columns like serial number, employee ID, full name of the employee, exit date, reason for exit and type of exit. Other customization options are given here. For example, select business unit/division from here if you want to generate this report for particular business unit/division. Please not to select if you want generate report for all the business units/division. No need to select anything, if you do not have multiple business units/divisions. Likewise, select salary grade, work location, site or employee category, if you want to generate this report for particular salary grades, work locations, sites and employee category. Please not to select anything if you want to generate report for all the salary grades, work locations, sites and employee categories. I am not selecting anything in this example. Select screen if you want to see report on your screen, then print. Select Excel if you want to export it in Excel, then print. Here is the Excel file. This report generated based on the fields that I selected.